Welcome back, guys. Have you ever thought of creating your own search engine, let's say? If you have not created so far or never thought of it, today is the right time to do that. So I'm going to share in a moment with you one example that I've created, and I'm very sure you will love that. Please don't forget to share your comments in the comment section and also your views and your critique in there. So I'll move on to our spreadsheet. There we are. This is the spreadsheet I was talking about. And here you can find random numbers, random places, and you want to find something that is yours. So how to find that? Very simple and easy technique. I'm going to make a little search engine of my own using conditional formatting. So I will first of all make it a little kind of a box here that will represent that what I want to search, and I will rather make it a little bit fancy with some formatting on it so it looks beautiful. Now, when we have our search engine ready in the box, now we need to put really the function inside. So simply, I will select the table and I will go to Home section. In Home, you will find conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting and you will find Manage Rules. Go to Manage Rules and create a new rule. This new rule should be in the very bottom, as you see here. Use a formula. That's very simple and easy. First of all, with this equal to sign, I need to provide the cell address. So let's pick the first one, D4, which is intersecting D and 4 as a reference here. And then I will put another equal to sign and I will select the place where I'll put my question or query or my search. Click on it and it has put this way with dollar signs, which is making it constant. So this means this will apply on the whole table this function, whereby the M4 will stay constant in this. What kind of format I want to change? So whatever I will put here in my search, I want Excel to show me here in this box. So for that, I need to give it a format. I will click on the format box and I will select, let's say, one color. So my format should be colored like this, and maybe I can select a border as well, like it should be bordered as box, and then I should select OK. So this means that whenever the numbers in this box that we see here are matching with my search, it will give a box, highlight, and a color. Press OK, press apply, and simply press OK. Now, what I want to search, let's say there are a lot of 12 numbers in there. So I want to search where are 12s or how many are 12s. I write 12 here, and you see it has shown in the search. Let's try another one, 14 over there, 14. You see, it is showing 14 over there. So, and there is one as well. You can see one as well. So that's how you can make your own custom search function, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do practice it and share your feedback with me. I look forward to speak to you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.